Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to share a couple of websites where you can earn anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour working from the comfort of your home. These are work from home job websites that you can apply and start working at your own schedules. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get new video updates before anyone else. If you have questions, leave a comment for me. My channel is all about make money online, affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, traffic generation, lead generation, campaign creation, ClickBank. Yes, that's right, ClickBank, and work from home jobs. So if you're interested in any of these topics, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, especially with ClickBank, and you want to learn how to promote ClickBank products and take your ClickBank business to the next level, then I highly recommend you get to my course, which is ClickBank course. I have over 1,045 students, and it's a course that's selling very, very cheap. They sometimes come up with a discount as well. And if you get this course, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, which means if you go through the course and for any reason you didn't like what you saw, you didn't like the training whatsoever, you can get your money back 100% risk free. So how do you get this course? It's very, very simple. If you go to a website called udemy.com, okay, you just type in ClickBank down here and you're going to get results popping up. All right, and you will see this guy here with a smiling face and cash falling down. This is my course. You just click on the course and you can purchase this course. It's all about ClickBank and how to promote affiliate offers. More specifically about ClickBank, but it works with any affiliate offer out there, all right? And like I said, it's 100% risk-free. I believe you will love this course, but for any reason you didn't like what you saw, you can get your money back. It comes with 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Work from home jobs, couple of websites where you can apply and start working from home as a worker and get paid handsomely anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour. All right, so let's dive into this video. So the first website I'm going to talk about is called UserTesting. So basically you get paid to test things out. Okay, so if you go to this website called usertesting.com, you could learn more about this. You could get started here as well. You just click on get started here. If I just go to here and say get paid to test, all right, and then you could see boost your monthly income in your free time, and you just have to enter your email address, all right, and get started. And you could get a lot of details on this website on how to apply, what they're asking for, what do you test. So if you just come here and you say make money online, get rewarded for different type of tests, your test feed will show you the amount you will get paid for each test. If you test here, share your perspective via test you match with and help best in class brands improve their products and services. So it's a website where you have to test things out, and for testing out you get paid. Okay, and if you go to the frequently asked questions, you can even learn, so how much do I get paid and when do I get paid? So if you just come here, rewards amount range depending on the test type. Your test fee will always show you the amount you will get paid for each test. Payment for completed tests are usually sent 14 days later. All right, so this is a website where you can work from home, all right, and start getting paid per hour for doing a couple of tests. And you might want to check it out. Okay, they have every detail on their website. You just go there and start playing around with the website. Go to the frequently asked questions and they have answers to all the questions that you may have. All right, so if I just come here and there you go, look at all these questions that people have asked, and you can just click on it and get answer to a question. And if you believe that this is something that you might want to do, you're looking for a job, you're sick and tired going out in a freezing cold or in a temperature of like 54 degrees and it's very hot, you don't want to leave your home, okay, you just want to do work from home, then this is probably a website that you might want to check out and start working from home. Okay, so that's one website. The second website that I recommend is going to fiverr.com. Now if you don't know what Fiverr is a website where you can actually provide services. So you might have any kind of skills, you might have something that you know, and you can provide that as a service and get paid handsomely. All right, so for example, if you're a freelancer, then you could write articles, you could charge people to write articles. If you're someone that knows how to write mini books, you can charge people to get this mini book done. If you're someone that knows how to create powerful sales letters or sales videos or funnels or landing pages, etc., or create campaigns, you could come to this website and provide your services and get paid. Just say, let me just go to this website and let me show you how this works. So let me just go and type in video marketing. Okay, so if I come here and I go into video marketing, you can see, look at these people. These people are providing services. So look at this. I will create a promotional marketing video or brand from £21. Okay, let me just get rid of that. Look at this. I will do a short video ad promotion for Facebook, £80. And look at this, over 1,000 plus orders. Okay, so 1,000 plus people have already ordered this gig. Okay, and it's got a 5-star review. Okay, if I scroll down, I could see this person as well have made sales over 1,000, 5-star gig. I will create a promotional video featuring twins. Wow, that's something new. Okay, so look at this. This person's charging £21, £42. This is in British pounds, and I think the currency reflects according to your country. So if you're going to browse this website from United States, I guess it should reflect US dollars. Okay, so you could just type in, you could come here and you could do something like Facebook ads, channel promotion. You could do digital marketing. So they have so much e-commerce marketing, email marketing, guest posting, all right, and text message marketing, influencer marketing. If I come to programming and tech, okay, business websites, all right, landing pages, WordPress, web application, desktop application, all right? And they have so much to offer. So if you have a skill in a certain and a specific program or a niche, you could come here, apply, and offer your skills and professional and start getting paid handsomely. So if I just click on one of these websites, let me just show you. Now, this person is making up to £80. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this website and look what they have, some upsells as well. So check this out. All right, this person is offering, I will do short video ads promotion for Facebook and Instagram. Okay, the basic package is going to cost me £79.54. All right, what do I get? It's going to take 3 days delivery, 5 revisions, video editing, 20-second running time, one size orientation, product imagery, and then if the standard package is going to cost me £100.47. Okay, what's the difference? Instead of 5 revisions, I'll get 6 revisions. Okay, instead of 20 seconds, I'll get 30 seconds. Okay, and what's the premium package? Oh my word, £184.20. Okay, and instead of I think it was 6 days delivery, right? This is going to be 4 days delivery, unlimited revisions. Wow. And instead of 30 seconds, it's going to be 60 seconds. Okay, so you can just choose your package. And this person is probably making, and look at this, look at this, 1,928. All right, if I just click on this, you could see the 5-star review he's received is 1,859, 4-star is 57, and then it goes on. All right, so this person's making a lot of money, I guess. All right, just doing short video ads promotion for Facebook and Instagram. All right, so you can come here and you can offer your services or something that you have to offer or you're professional in. Just create your gig and there you go, you walk your way through and just come to this website, and guess what's going to happen? You are going to actually learn more on how this all works. So you get started and then you see other people how they're doing it, and that's how you create your own gig as well. All right, and with your gig you see the comparison of other prices. So you see people who are, for example, if you're professional in doing article, all right, writing articles, so just see what other people are offering and what's their price point. Okay, and that's similar. You could create a similar gig to other people and choose how you want to charge others. Okay, so this is a great website. It's called fiverr.com. All right, and you could come to this website and start offering and working from home, getting paid for offering services. So this is not a per hour job, but it's something that you can offer on your behalf and whatever you are professional in, and start getting paid handsomely working from home. Okay, So this was Fiverr.com. Let's go to the third website. Okay, so this is another website called preply.com. All right, so what do? Unlock your potential with the best language tutor. So if you're someone that are professional in a certain language, you can come here and start teaching people online about that language. Okay, so if you're professional in English, you could teach people how to talk English. Okay, English language. You could do this all online. All right. And when you come to this website, you could click on become a tutor. All right. When you do click on become a tutor, it gives you more information on what this is all about. So there you go. Look at it. Choose your hourly rate and change it anytime. On average, English tutors charge $15 to $25 per hour, my friend, working from home. Now you could just do your mathematics and calculate this, that if you're going to do this for 8 hours a day or 5 hours a day, let's just make it reasonable, 5 hours a day, and you're charging $25 per hour, you're making approximately $125 per day just working from home. That's over $3,000 a month. All right, my friend, this is something huge. All right, so if you have any kind of skills in a professional language that you want to teach here, for example, it's French, it's Spanish, or it's English, you can come here, start teaching people, and guess what? You could get paid very, very good and handsomely for teaching others how to talk and how to do certain things in certain language. Look at this. If you come more down, all right, you can see here that teach students from over 180 countries. All right, pre-blind tutors teach 800,000 plus students globally. Join us and you will have everything you need to teach successfully. So go to this website. If you're someone that wants to do work from home and looking for a work from home job, then this is a website that you can come here and start teaching people other languages. Now, once again, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're someone that wants to learn more ways to make money online, more ways to actually promote ClickBank offers or affiliate offers, and want to learn more ways to work from home, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. The subscribe button should be anywhere below this page. On the side it says subscribe on it. Just click on that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified. All right, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below this video. I have a couple of links that is there to help you change your life and help you make up to $100,000 per year in commissions from the comfort of your home. That's right, all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. Make sure you check those links out. Okay, so let's dive into the other website. Okay, so the fourth website that I recommend is called rev.com. What is Rev? Basically, you get video files, you get audio files, and you just have to put it in writing. So basically, you're going to have a microphone, you're going to listen to the video, you're going to listen to the audio, and you're going to transcribe it into writing, into text. All right, it's very, very simple, very, very easy. So this is the service that you can provide for this. And now this, I guess this pays very less. It pays anywhere from $5 to $8 or $10 minimum wage per hour, but is nothing. Something is better than nothing. So if you're just willing to get started online and you have a skill to type fast on your keyboard, and you know how to type very, very quick, very, very fast, while the video is being played and while the audio is being played, then this is a great website where you can come here and just listen to the video and start typing and put it into text, or start typing and put it and start listening to the audio file and start typing it into text. And there are so many people who wants their video and audio turned into text, either to have a translate or whatever the reason is. So you can come here and you can explore this website and start getting paid anywhere from $5 to $10, which is minimum wage every single hour. All right, so these are the four websites I just shared with you where you can start a work from home professional job and get paid handsomely every single hour. Now, if you want to learn more ways to make money online, and in fact you want to learn how to promote other people's products and get paid commissions, and make up to $100,000 every single year from the comfort of your home, that I highly recommend you click the links in my description box below this video. All the links are there. Just click on that link in the description box below this video, and you will able to find a link where we share a system, a done for you system that's going to help you boost your business and take your business to the next level, and show you how you can become a successful internet entrepreneur and make anywhere from 5 figures and up to 6 figures plus every single year. All right, and if you're interested more specifically in ClickBank and want to learn how to promote ClickBank products, then go to udemy.com, type on this guy here. All right, and you're going to come to this page here. All right, and you could purchase this course. It's 100% risk free, beginners friendly, comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. In other words, if for any reason you don't like what you're watching, just get your money back. Okay, but I'm 100% sure you're going to love what you see here. All right,